Side over inside is really special today for many reasons. First video of 2025, first video after the operation. Yeah, we're not superheroes. We too needed medical care, and for this we want to give thanks to us, to you who have had it. So much patience to wait, but you had. We are grateful and respectful and honored that you follow us and give us manners. And in all these thanks, there is a special thanks to a person who was very close to us in the operating room, a person who even subscribed to the Ragazzi channel. Unbelievable stuff. Can we do weird things? Thank you. To each of us, today's work will be divided between the software part. Welcome here. Now we're going to look at the light bar software and then the hardware part where the engraver is going to do what we, and I emphasize we, have decided that the engraver itself is nothing. It's just an extension of human creativity, nothing else. This is the engraver, and now we go to do the placement of the plate to be worked. Clearly also in the atom stack that you are seeing here in the video, we will make a video a little more detailed, but now it is not the case, otherwise we will lengthen too much. As well as with the Live Burn program, we will talk for a moment how to use it well, better, etc. Now let's go see the work, because that's what we're interested in right now, the zeroing of the piece. We used to do that, launching the frame with 20% laser power, which means it can't track, so it doesn't bother. Then the final work, in addition, we obviously exploit the laser pointer of which it is equipped. It is a red cross that allows us to locate by offset exactly from the precise starting point of cutting, and this we will see later in video that concerns the atom stack that I recommend you to follow. If only out of curiosity, this is the machine at work. Clearly hear the noise of the air compressor because board is working with air for a better engraving, as you can see now, is using the massive, perhaps cutting to about 60% to get us then. The final product, Spectacular Boys. Spectacular Boys just finished engraving and cutting, and now we move on to assembly. Excuse the emotion, but it's beautiful. See here, see what stuff our logo on the back, and then maybe we go to do a nice finish with cooked linseed oil. So that we give him emotions, we make him hotter as we like, and here we are finally at the showdown. We got the anemic one, look at this. And the one instead that we just treated with cooked linseed oil. Look at the differences, and what should I tell you? There's no comparison. This is hot. And this is their previous sole proper, you see? And then this is the beautiful face. Once we use it as a coaster, we can also use it as a placeholder. Obviously with a special date, we put it here and look, and it becomes a placeholder for the couple. It's amusing, isn't it? Give it a try. Ultimately, we enjoy the process together. You can achieve similar results with a hacksaw. I use the laser because there's more plan. Add Maiora.